When water damage threatens the safety and comfort of your home in Burlington County, Restoration Specialists is the lifeline you can count on. We bring expertise, compassion, and urgency to restore your sanctuary. Residential water damage can wreak havoc on your property, but our team is here to help with every step of the water damage repair in Burlington County, New Jersey. We clean, sanitize, and decontaminate your home to ensure it's safe for your family. Mold growth and structural damage are common issues after water intrusion. That's why we provide comprehensive services, including mold abatement, to protect your home. Biohazard remediation is another area in which we excel. We ensure your property is thoroughly restored and safe for use. Trust us to handle the most demanding challenges with care and expertise. Burlington County homeowners rely on us for our commitment to quality and efficiency. We treat your home as our own, delivering results you can count on. Whether it's a burst pipe, storm damage, or a flooding incident, we have the skills and tools to restore your home. No job is too big or small for our dedicated team. Call us now at 609-669-2155 and let us restore your home and peace of mind. Visit our website at restoration-specialist.com/areas-served/Burlington-County-NJ to learn more about our services and explore how we can help you reclaim your space. Restoration Specialists, restoring properties, rebuilding lives.